Recent legislation designed to encourage home ownership for low to middle income earners introduced the First Time Home Buyer Act that could provide a tax credit of up to 10% of the home purchase price, or $15,000, to those who qualify. The credit benefits potential buyers who have not owned or purchased a home in the past 3 years, and the credit can be used immediately instead of waiting to file the tax return. It's Friday, May 14th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Here's what's happened by the numbers over the past week. 1,903 are newly active, and this is down from last week's report. 1,564 are coming soon. 791 homes went under contract. 1,413 are temporarily off the market. 1,787 pending. 1,721 homes settled since last week's report. The highest priced home to sell this past week was this 2-acre estate in Potomac Ranch for $3,250,000. 263 rental units came onto the market since last week's report, but overall, rental inventory is down to 1,090 units, and what is available is renting in 13 days or less. So if you are thinking about buying or selling, or you're on the fence, be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealty.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Maryland real estate market for Friday, May 14th, 2021. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. You may also catch our market updates through your favorite podcast service or on your Google or Alexa devices. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks again for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.